As a company that strives for innovation and continued improvement, the use of off-site fabrication techniques and the delivery of mechanical services on projects is a core focus in the Fredon Air business. It helps us meet our objectives in maintaining a high standard of quality in construction, ensuring that our work is undertaken as safely as possible, minimising our impact to the environment during construction, and completing our projects efficiently and on time. Off-site fabrication techniques were used on the Chris O'Brien Lifehouse project to install the more complex mechanical services risers. Significant benefits to the project resulted. In relation to quality, the installation of ductwork was unhindered by access issues and spatial constraints. Duct connections and insulation barriers were completed in relative ease, ensuring the best possible standard of installation and finish. In respects to safety, the benefits were very evident. The inherent risks when working in shafts is well known, and the installation of prefabricated frames and ductwork enabled us to undertake these works under much safer circumstances. In relation to productivity, the ease with which our installers could access the workface and install the ductwork resulted in an estimated 60% reduction in labour hours compared to a comparable installation time frame on site. This further resulted in less demand on site infrastructure, less truck deliveries and less crane time. With our new manufacturing facility at Silverwater in Sydney, Fredon Air is able to maximise the use of off-site prefabrication on all our future projects.